Welcome back, and let's dive into Module 2. In the last module, we created the initial file for our presentation. Now, it's time to build the actual structure. A presentation is rarely just one slide. It's a series of slides that tell a story. In this lesson, we'll learn the fundamental skills of managing that series, adding, deleting, and rearranging your slides. Part 1. Adding new slides. Think about the presentation you started. Let's say it's a monthly update. A title slide is a great start, but you'll need more slides for your content, an agenda, your key results, and the next steps. Let's add them. The most common way to add a slide is from the Home tab on the ribbon. You'll see a button that says New Slide. Now, this button is actually two parts, and knowing how to use them is a key efficiency tip. If you click the top part of the button, the slide icon, PowerPoint will instantly add a new slide using a default layout, usually title and content. It's quick and easy. If you click the bottom part of the button, the text that says New Slide, it opens a gallery showing you all the available slide layouts. This lets you choose the exact type of slide you want to add right from the start. This is the more precise, professional method. For the pros who love keyboard shortcuts, the magic combination is Ctrl+M. Pressing Ctrl+M on your keyboard will instantly add a new slide.
Let's practice. Open the presentation you've been working on. 1. Click on your title slide in the Thumbnails pane on the left. 2. Now add 3 new slides. For the first one, use the Ctrl+M shortcut. For the next 2, use the New Slide button. 3. Your presentation should now have 4 slides. You've just built the basic skeleton of your presentation.
Part 2. Deleting slides. As you build your presentation, you'll often realize you have slides you don't need. Maybe the meeting agenda changed, or you combined 2 points onto a single slide. Deleting slides is just as easy as adding them. To delete a slide, simply go to the Thumbnails pane on the left, click on the slide you want to remove to select it, and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. It's gone. You can also right-click on the slide thumbnail and choose Delete Slide from the menu. Don't worry if you delete one by accident. You can always use the Undo command or Ctrl+C to bring it right back.
In the presentation in front of you, you should have 4 slides. Let's say you've decided your presentation is too long. 1. Select the third slide in your presentation. 2. Press the Delete key. Just like that, you've tightened up your presentation. Being able to remove content cleanly is just as important as being able to add it.
Part 3. Rearranging slides. Now, the most important part of telling a good story is making sure everything is in the right order. In Module 1, we learned that Slide Sorter View is the best way to see your entire presentation and make big changes to the order. But for small, quick adjustments, you don't even need to leave normal view. You can rearrange slides directly in the Thumbnails pane. Just click and hold the slide you want to move, drag it up or down to its new position. You'll see a horizontal line indicating where it will go, and then release the mouse button.
Let's try a quick reorder. 1. You should have 3 slides now. Let's say you want to swap the order of slides 2 and 3. 2. In the Thumbnails pane, click and hold on slide number 3. 3. Drag it upwards until you see the indicator line appear between slide 1 and slide 2. 4. Let go. You've just changed the flow of your presentation without ever leaving your main workspace.
And that's it. You now have the 3 core skills for managing your presentation structure: adding slides using the New Slide button or Ctrl+M, deleting them with the Delete key, and rearranging them in the Thumbnails pane or Slide Sorter view. Now that we know how to add slides, let's move on to our next lesson, where we'll learn how to choose the right kind of slide for our content by working with layouts. See you there.